Okay, question number 1 of the diagnostic test, calculus 9 edition, James Stewart. It's the session C is functions. Okay, review. So we have here a graph and some questions. State the value of f minus 1. So is when x is minus 1. So when x is minus 1, the y is minus 2. Okay? Super easy. Estimate f2, f of 2. So f of 2, when I have x equals 2, to be more or less 2.8, 2.9. Okay? C. For what values of x, f of x is equal to? F of x is equal to. So y is equal to is here. So is in x minus 3 and x 1. Minus 3 and 1. D. Estimated values of x, f of x is equal 0. So 0, f of x is equal to 0 here and here. So here is x more or less, is it just a second? X more or less is equal 2.5 minus 2.5. And x is equal 0.3. Is that okay? So let me put more or less here, estimated. E, state the domain range. So the domain goes inclusive minus 3 to 3. So the domain, brackets, minus 3, 3. And the range in y to be from minus 2 to 3, brackets, minus 2 to 3. That's it. Let's go to the question 2.